Hey y'all, since we are heading into the summer, I thought it would be very fitting to give you a hamburger on the grill type of video. So let's get outdoors, let's enjoy this nice, almost summer weather, and let's make some juicy burgers. We are going to keep it simple with the seasonings. I'm just using black pepper and Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, and I'm going to add this to 2 pounds of ground beef. I picked up a bag of charcoal from Walmart, nothing fancy, just regular charcoal. So step one, let's get the chimney lit. Okay, this is very easy. You're going to add the charcoal, add a little paper, add a little fire, light up the paper. We are using a kettle grill. Use any grill that you have. Okay, the charcoal may take anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes to heat up. Then we'll add it to the grill. We're going to season the ground beef really good with the ranch seasoning powder and the black pepper. Mix it up gently, and we'll add a little more seasoning as needed. Now, from 2 pounds of ground beef, we were able to form 6 medium to large size balls, and we shaped them into patties, and we are now going to add them to the grill. Okay, so we're going to put them over indirect heat, close the lid, and open the vent. So while the burgers are cooking, let's take a quick look at our toppings. So I'm just making a regular burger, just a regular burger, pretty standard: lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles. But as you know, when you make yours, you can dress it up however you like. All right. So here we are. It's been about 15 minutes. You need to flip the burgers over. Okay, you're going to move them to the other side of the grill. All right, so we started by cooking them over indirect heat. We're going to finish them off over direct heat. And by the way, the temperature of your grill should be between 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 minutes before removing your burger, go ahead and place some cheese on top so that it can get nicely melted. So once the burgers are done, we're going to remove them from the grill and begin to assemble. So please do me a big favor. If you love juicy hamburgers like I do, go ahead and smash the like button, okay? And look at how juicy these burgers look, y'all. They were very juicy and they taste so good. Nothing is worse to me than a dry burger on the grill. I cannot stand it. Pet peeve. It's my pet peeve. But these burgers were not dry at all. As you can see, they are juicy. This burger paired very well with some macaroni salad, a few barbecue potato chips. You know, can't go wrong with that. Okay, so we're going to cut into this and dig in. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like button on your way out, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.